And everybody says it comes with the territory, you know? People are gonna take shots at me and they're gonna take shots at you. And, you know, sometimes we take them back and sometimes we don't. I'm just trying to let it roll off my back now and do the best I can to mind my own business and make good movies, you know?
Whoa, you better do it if you say you will. I be saying I'ma make a meal before my grave get filled. Every day bout getting to this paper still. Went on a date and gave the paralegal carnation milk. Filled up my schedule, can't link you nor chat as much. Had it up to here with the small talk. Nah, I can't talk small. We should buy a penthouse, rent it out on Airbnb and cop 3 more and be more productive. Cause I ain't with the fuck shit. If they don't got a budget, then I ain't at the function. Fuck this, all I need is paper, pussy, produce. If I ever get a call about a bag and bag a bad bitch that I seen shopping at the Whole Foods, I'm gonna be like, God, I owe you. New ride, interior like apple pie. Match the pine, I be flying down a turnpike. Heard you got turmoil, how's that gonna turn for you? At the wheel of fortune, I'ma save a turn for you. This Savannah White, you just krills in the tinfoil. Been loyal, got burnt, moved on the flyer shit. Wearing Prada shades, fresh fade while the tires spin. Whoa, ain't no debate, no. I know my money on the way, I just be getting out the way, hey. Ain't no debate, no. I know my money on the way, I just be getting out the way. In the lab tinkering with the cook up. You sending shots that miss, but shit, you gotta look up. No standing next to me, ain't no man in control of my destiny. I came home, fingers all cheddary. I pass on the Hennessy, got my own beer to sip. Bet your shorty start flicking a beam when she hear the shit. I mostly rock sweatpants cozy, wore denim to Philippe Chow. Shorty said she vegan and told me pull the meat out. Think she ordered seaweed, tell me do you wanna see Tahiti? I'm not talking about the TV, nah I'm talking about luggage. Week later you coming home sun-kissed, telling all your friends how much you loved it. Shit, see when I get a bitch, I got a bitch. Ball across the country, Vladimir Radmanovich. You in the comment section, sitting there popping shit. You probably think you condescending, huh? Ain't no debate, no. I know my money on the way, I just be getting out the way. Ain't no debate, no. I know my money on the way. Whoa.